Well, for this tutorial, let's practice stencilizing these letters and stretching using the grips. So for this letter A, we want to stencilize this without using any lines. So we're going to use and draw an arc. Zoom a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to draw an arc like that. And I'm going to do another arc here. Okay. And before I trim, I want to adjust this arc, so I can stretch this, but I can also click on this and I can locate the new radius or new center, and it will just simply move my arc. Press escape to stop, or I can click it and any of these three, okay, can be moved. This one will move the location of the start or end point. These two also can move the location of start and end point, and you can change the radius or the angle of this arc simply by moving it about. Okay, so if you're not happy with that angle, you can change it. You can open it up, you can click on the next one, you can move it further out here, and then you can also change the angle. You can change the start point. Okay, charge the start point. And once everything is done, then you can simply now go to your modify and cut the portions that you don't need. Okay, and if that's too close for you, again, simply just press enter or escape to stop whatever you're in, click on it, and then change the angle, or that will change the radius of the arc at the same time. Okay, so let's do that for this one too. It's really hard to control with the trackpad. Arc. Okay, I wanted to. So the reason why we need to learn how to do the stretching of the grips is because when we point to an object, it automatically goes to the endpoint. We can change it later, but we're not there yet. But anyway, just start your arc outside, and then we can put that or adjust the endpoint or start point of the arc later anyway. Okay, so press escape to stop, press enter, or press escape to stop, and then simply move that about wherever you want it. Adjust the opening or adjust the angle, move that about. Okay, so we're just using the grips to put where we want it. And then we can now use the trim and cut the pieces that are supposed to be open, and that should produce for us, zoom extends here, a stencil. Okay, so this one is not stencilized. That means that there's an inner island. But if you create a stencil or stencilize a drawing, or in this case letters, there are no islands created. Okay, so that's what we're going to do for this tutorial.